Hello and welcome. I'm back at Harbor Freight. Checking out the deals they have going on for the super coupons they recently came out with, as well as a couple other deals I'm going to go over. I'm starting off in the air tools section, and they do have a super coupon on the 1/2-inch stubby air impact wrench for 69 bucks. It was 79. This is what it looks like here. It is a nice and compact stubby wrench. It's 1/2 inch, and it's rated at 700 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque and 10,000 RPM. It has a 3-speed regulator. Looks like a pretty nice little compact impact wrench right there. And they do have this 1-inch aluminum air impact wrench, normally priced at $279. It is 1 inch up to 2,500 pounds of bolt breakaway torque. You can bust some serious nuts with this thing. They have this priced with the super coupon for $249. That is saving 50 bucks. So it's a pretty good deal on that. They have an awesome deal on this US General open box toolbox. It has many different drawers to it. It has caster wheels on the bottom. Well, someone had returned this, so it has an open box sticker. It is priced at only $319. It was $499, so it's saving 36%. That's one of the things you guys can do is go online to the harborfreight.com, and they have a scratch and dent section where you can select a toolbox and then you can call them up and I think arrange to have it shipped to a store, if I'm not mistaken. But this one just has like some dents on the side on the drawer here. I think a few of the drawers are kind of hard to open, but it could be because they have this up on furniture dollies, so it might be a little cockeyed. But otherwise, that's a pretty good deal right there for only 320 bucks. And there's a super coupon for this Fortress 2-gallon, 135 psi compressor. It's 1.2 horsepower. It is normally priced at $189, but you can save 30 bucks with the super coupon, so it'll be $159. All right, one of the deals they are currently holding is for this weekend only. It's good until the 7th, so depending on when you're watching this video, it might no longer be in effect. But for ITC members, if you make any purchase, it could be something that's 99 cents, like one of those Harbor Freight bags or a pack of zip ties. Doesn't matter what it is you buy, you can get one of these 3 items for free. The options are the ratchet straps, a 12-inch tool bag, or the AA or AAA batteries of 24 pack. But if you're not an ITC member, you would have to spend a minimum of basically 35 bucks, $34.99 in order to get one of these items for free. It's just another benefit of being an Inside Track Club member. That's 30 bucks a year, and it's certainly worth doing these when they release them to get the free item with any purchase. Another deal they just came out with too is for Icon. It's a buy more, save more event. So if you buy any 2 Icon tools, you can save 15% off. If you buy 3, you can save 20%. If you buy 4 or more, you get 25%. There are some restrictions on it, such as it does exclude tool storage, diagnostics, creepers, and seats. You cannot get any of those Icon items to get those discounts, but everything else on Icon you can. So pretty good deal there. They are running it until September 14th for that deal. So you do have a little bit of time for that. Certainly worth picking up some Icon tools to get those discounts. Let's move along to the next deal. If you're gaining value from this video, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos that I do in the future. And if you have the option to hype this video, it does certainly help the channel and help spread the word to other tool deal enthusiasts like you. They do have a couple super coupons on the McGraw compressors. They have this one that's a 3-gallon one. This thing is certainly small. It's a 3rd horsepower oil-free pump. It has a single port there. Normally priced at $59.99. Well, with the super coupon, you save 16%, so it's only $49.99. So saving 10 bucks there. And they also have a pancake option as well. Also 3-gallon, 3rd horsepower. Same price, normally priced at 60 bucks. And they have it priced for $49.99. And here's an awesome deal with Central Pneumatic. It's a 20-piece basic air compressor starter kit. It has different 1/4-inch fittings, female and male adapters, as well as inflation needles, an air blower, and a hose. So you have this normally priced at $17.99, but with the super coupon, you're saving 33%, so it's only 12 bucks. you want something a little bit better quality, they are running the deal on the instant savings for the Merlin 20-piece air compressor accessory kit. That instant savings price is $17.99 and it was $25. If you have some hardwood floors to install anytime soon, they do have this 2-in-1 flooring air nailer and stapler by Banks brand. They have this price with the super coupon for $130. That's saving $30 there. And here's the example of what you can get for free this weekend is these 1-inch by 15-inch ratcheting tie downs. They have a 400-pound working load, and it's normally priced at $12.99. So you're getting this item for free with any purchase if you're ITC member. Excellent deal there. I'm going to pick this one up myself. My opinion, you can never have too many ratchet straps. And they have this Hallmaster 3/8 inch by 13.2 feet grade 43 truckers chain. It's normally priced at $39.99. Well, they have the super coupon where you're saving 17%, so it's only $33. And also from Hallmaster, they have this ratcheting load binder. It's normally priced at $49.99. With the super coupon, you can save 20%, so it's only $39.99. Another Hallmaster option, they have this 20-foot ratcheting tie down, normally priced at $14. With the super coupon, you're only going to pay $8.99 for it. That's 35% off. So they have this Bauer 1/2 inch by 50 feet automatic feed drain cleaning drum machine. So if you have some drains to clean out, you could do so with this Bauer. It does come in a nice cart with wheels. And they have this normally priced at $3.99. With the super coupon, you're going to save $70. So it's only going to be $3.29. That's saving $70. That's an awesome deal. You can clear up to 4-inch drains, so between 2 to 4-inch drains. Also includes a cutter set, so you can cut through roots if some roots are in your drain. So that's a pretty good price for only $330. And they have this Drummond 1/4 horsepower, worry-free automatic submersible utility pump, normally priced at $149. You're going to save $30 with the super coupon, so it's only going to be $120 for that. The thing that's nice about this is that it pumps water down to 3/8 of an inch deep. And they're also running some deals on some Vanguard extension cords. They have this 25-foot one, 16 gauge. So it's medium use, medium duty. Normally priced at $10, but you can save 20%. So it's only $8 with the super coupon. They do have another option with the 50-foot 14 gauge one, normally priced at $23. Well, you can get 21% off with the super coupon, so it's only $18. And they do have another Vanguard option. This is 25-foot 10 gauge, and it has 3 outlets to it. Normally priced at $43. With the super coupon, you're going to save 18%, so it's only $35. It's a pretty good deal. And if you're not going to do the buy more, save more on the Icon tools, if you just need this 24-ounce ball peen dead blow hammer, this one is normally priced at $45. They do have a super coupon where you can save 20%, so it's only $35.99. And they do have this Doyle cable splicing kit. It includes scissors and a knife and a sheath. It's normally priced at $14.99. Well, with the super coupon, you can save 33%, so it's only $10. It's an excellent deal on that. This is what it looks like. The cable splicing knife has a hang hole, comfort grip, and a steel blade, and it has the leather sheath and then electrician's scissors. So it's a pretty good deal for only $10. And the electrician's scissors does have stripping notches on the edge of the blade, so it makes it convenient to be able to strip different wires from 19 AWG and 23 AWG wire. And they do have this Pittsburgh 130-piece general purpose tool set. Comes with 1/4 inch drive and 3/8 sockets. And these are the tools that it does come with. So it's a good little assortment there, including even some vice grips, pliers, diagonal cutters, and screwdrivers. So a good little assortment there. This is normally priced at $39.99. But with the super coupon they have, you can save 20% off of that, so it's only $32. But if you're in the market for something like this, I'd actually probably do an upgrade to the 146-piece one, where it does include like a level and some clamps and Allen wrenches, and a tape measure as well. So it has more pieces. and it's only priced this month at $49.99. That's saving $10 off, but that is for ITC members. And also the nice thing about Pittsburgh is that it does come with a lifetime warranty on their tools. So if anything ever fails, you can just bring it back and they'll replace it. Something like these tool kits would be great for new homeowners or apartment dwellers or dorm rooms. Something to have a basic kit on hand in a nice hard plastic case. Certainly worth having. Easy access and do most little tasks with it around the house or apartment. And for the Icon event, just to go over some of these tools that they do have, like the diagonal cutters, 7-inch ones that are $20. They have 11-inch ones that are $30. So these are the ones you can buy more and save more. You've seen these deals at other places like Home Depot that they do on whether it's Milwaukee or other tool products. So similar in style as far as the deal goes. So many different options from Icon to be able to save up to the 25% on 4 or more tools. So pretty decent savings there, especially if you missed out on the coupons where they do the 30% off or 20% off on any tool. So definitely some good options there from Icon. And the next deal they have is from Pittsburgh, is the 24-inch bolt cutters. It has a 5/16 cutting capacity, high carbon steel jaw. Normally priced at $20, but with the super coupon you can save 30%, so it's only $14. And they have this Predator 6.5 horsepower chipper shredder. It has a 212cc engine, and you can put small brush and leaves on the top part. Then you can put the larger branches up to 3-inch diameter in the side chute right here. Normally priced at $5.99, but with the super coupon you can save $120, so it's only $4.80. That's a great deal right there. So they do have a super coupon on this US General 6-drawer full bank service cart. This is like the one I showed earlier. That was the scratch and dent one. So they have this available in 9 different colors, and it is only priced at $5.99. With the super coupon you can save $80, so it's only $520. So it's a pretty good deal right there. It does come in the black, blue, green, orange, red, yellow, white, slate gray, and purple. So many different options there to choose from. That's pretty good savings there, $80 off. And another US General option here, they have this 56-inch double bank roller cabinet, normally priced at $8.99. With the super coupon you can save $100, so it's only $7.99. Also available in 8 different colors. It is this lower box here, and it does say it has in-drawer charging, which is pretty cool. So it does say it has integrated power with 5 120 volt 2 USB outlets, and the power tool drawer is designed to hold power tool and air tools. Pretty nice box right there. The weight capacity is 4,400 pounds for this box, so that's pretty decent. And they do have this 18-inch by 12-inch moving dolly with a 1,000-pound capacity, made of hardwood construction and 3-inch swivel caster wheels. It is normally priced at $13, but with the super coupon you're going to save 30%, so it's going to be $8.99. They also have some deals on the Doyle utility knives. So for example, they have this one that's normally priced at $8.99. With the super coupon it's only going to be $6.99, so it's saving 22%. And they do have another one that is the Hawkbill flip knife with the curved blade. That is normally priced at $13.99, which they don't have the sign here for this one, but normally priced at $14, so you're going to save 35% off, so it's only $9 with the super coupon. It's a pretty good deal. And another option they have, you can save 10% on this one that looks awfully similar to the fastback one from Milwaukee. So I wonder where they came up with that idea from. It does have an integrated wire cutter in the handle itself. So that is normally priced at $10, so you're going to save $1 on that, so it's only $9 with a super coupon. And if you need an option to organize your yard tools, they have this 65-inch tool organizer. You can hang all the different brooms and rakes and shovels, and each hook has a 6-pound capacity. Well, six pound capacity per peg, or 15-pound capacity per hook. This is what it looks like here, and it comes with screws as well, so you can put it in the wall. Well, this is made by Yukon, the 65-inch multi-purpose wall mount tool organizer. It's normally priced at 15 bucks, so you can save 33% off with the super coupon, so it's only $10. It's an awesome deal. And they also have a super coupon for this Vulcan heavy-duty welding cabinet, normally priced at 400 bucks. And it holds 2 of the large cylinders on the side. It has wheels and casters. With the super coupon, you can save 50 bucks, so it's only $349. And then here's the stats on this welding cart. It can hold the 2 gas cylinders. The wheel diameter is 8 inches. The locking caster diameter is 4 inches, and it can hold a total of 500 pounds, so it's a pretty good setup right there. And if you're in need of a small bottle jack, they have this one by Pittsburgh, 4-ton one. It is one of the smallest ones they offer. It does go up to 11 3/8 max height, and it's a 7 1/4 inch minimum height. This is normally priced at 28 bucks, but with the super coupon, it's saving 46%, so it's only gonna be $14.99. That's an awesome deal right there. And if you missed out on the parking lot sale in the last month, they have these 3-ton Daytona jack stands. Maximum height is 16 7/8, and then the minimum height is 11 1/4 inch. It comes in an assortment of different colors to choose from, like M&Ms. So they are running the deal again here, the same deal that they had during the parking lot sale. So normally priced at $50, but with the super coupon, it's only $29.99. That's 40% off. That's an excellent deal right there, especially if you missed out during the parking lot sale. It was the same price during that time. And they're also running a deal on this Badland 3-ton off-road jack. It has nice rugged wheels, both front and back. It goes up to a 29 1/16 of an inch lift. Minimum height is 6 1/4 inch. The super coupon, you're gonna save 50 bucks, so it's going to be $329. It's normally priced at $379. I think back in the day they ran this at $299 as a deal. So at $329 is not so bad, paying an extra 30 bucks or so. But it's a good deal there on a nice jack, especially for off-road vehicles. And they're also running a deal on the Daytona 1,300 pound capacity self-loading positioning wheel dolly. So it'd be good for moving cars around in a shop in tight spots. Well, they have this price with the super coupon for only $99. That is saving $30. And you can save $20 off this Pittsburgh aluminum ATV and motorcycle lift. It is normally priced at $229, so it's going to be 210 bucks. And they're running a deal on this Viking lead acid multi-function jump starter pack. It's rated up to 1,000 peak amp, and it also has a built-in air compressor with 150 max psi. So it's a pretty nice setup right there. And they normally have it priced at 99 bucks, but with the super coupon, you're going to save 20, so it's only going to be $80. And if you need some replacement sanding disc for your 5-inch random orbit sander, they have these by Bauer in the different grits, from basically 40 grit all the way up to 220 grit. Normally priced at $5.99 for these. With the super coupon, you can save 33%, so they're only $3.99. All right, so I wanted to show you my haul that I got today. So I bought this Grant's drying towel. It's the XXL Ultimate Microfiber towel. It's pretty nice and soft. So they had a super coupon for only $7.99 that was saving 20. And then with that, since I'm an ITC member, I got the ratchet straps for free, which was a $13 item for free. So excellent deal. It's certainly worth the membership. All right, that's going to be it for these deals on the super coupons and other deals that I covered. So be sure to like this video and subscribe for other tool deal videos I do here in the future. I did not cover all the every single coupon that they have. You can certainly go online to their website and take a look at other items that they have with great savings. So be sure to check it out. I just didn't want to make this video way too long for you guys. But be sure to check it out, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.